Okay guys, so today we're making low carb lasagna. Yep, you heard it right, low carb lasagna. So today we're gonna be using the ground turkey. We got this one 90% lean, 10% fat. We're gonna be using a zucchini. We're gonna be using tomato sauce, garlic powder. We're gonna be using some black peppers. And we're going to be using a little bit of onion and some cheese. Okay guys, we're going to start with some olive oil. There you go. Now we're going to add half of this ground turkey. Okay, we're going to go ahead and season our meat. For that, I'm using the garlic salt and the black pepper. Okay, so while our turkey is cooking, we're going to go ahead and make the zucchini little strips. So what you're going to do is you're going to get one of these like potato peelers. And you're just going to go ahead and run it across the zucchini just like this. And just cut the little strands. Now that we are finished with all our zucchini, we're going to go ahead and just dice some onion. We're gonna add this onion into our ground turkey just so it could give it a little bit more flavor. Okay, so we're adding the onion. We're gonna go ahead and give it another little stir, just like that. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. Our turkey is fully cooked. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of tomato sauce. I'm gonna give that a little mix. I'm gonna add just a handful of cheese, just so I can help kind of like the turkey stick together a little bit. And it can give it a little bit more flavor when that cheese melts. We're going to start off by placing a thin layer of meat on our glass container because we don't want the zucchini to burn when it's in the oven. So we're going to go ahead and just place a thin layer of meat. Now we're going to go ahead and place a layer of zucchini. So just grab your little strands and just place it everywhere, all over. Now that I have this whole layer, we're gonna go ahead and add some more turkey. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some cheese. Now we're gonna do another layer and just keep going till you guys finish the turkey and finish the cheese and the zucchini. Okay, now that we have our lasagna all done, we're going to go ahead and cover it with some aluminum foil. We've been preheating our oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to go ahead and place it in here. We're going to leave it in here for about 20 to 25 minutes, then we'll come check it out. Okay, but guys, so I let it cook for about 25 minutes, and then I also let it cool down. So now that it's nice and cool, we're going to go ahead and cut it. Let's see. And there you guys have it. Your low carb lasagna.